Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack from our design team to you. This week, Kenny and his team have created a stunning SEO layout pack with 8 different pages. These pages will provide everything your designer will need to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so the first thing you will need to do is download the free SEO layout pack, which you can find in the link in the description below. So once you go ahead and download that layout pack, you can find a zip folder in your downloads folder. And the first thing you will need to do is unzip that folder. And once you do that and open the unzip folder, you'll see that you get about 9 files. One of them is the all file, which contains all of the layouts, and then you have a separate file for each one of the layouts as well. Now, if you want to add these to your WordPress website, you simply have to go to Divi, Divi Library, and then you'll need to click on Import and Export. Move on to the Import tab, choose your all file, and click on Import Divi Builder Layouts. All right, so to set up your website with this SEO layout pack, you will need to do different things. One of them is add the pages and create a menu, but we have a separate post that handles all of these steps. So let's just take a look at the website with the SEO layout pack installed on it. So we have 8 different pages. We have a home page, a landing page, a services page, a case study page, a pricing page, a blog page, an about page, and a contact page. Now let's scroll through these different pages and see what they look like once they're installed on a website. So here we have the home page. Then we have the landing page. This is what the services page looks like. And of course, you can use this layout pack for all kinds of websites. You don't have to limit yourself to an SEO website. Then we have the case study page, the pricing page and layout, the blog page, the about page, and last but not least, we have this contact page as well. Okay, now let's go back to the landing page, and you can make all kinds of modifications to these layouts by using the backend builder or the visual builder, but let's just enable the visual builder for now. And of course, as usual, you can make all kinds of modifications to these layouts. For instance, you could change the gradient overlay of the section over here. And you can see what color you would like to apply and see if it matches in real time. You can also modify all of the content to your website's needs and change positions of modules wherever you are on the page. You can change the background images of rows as well, along with the gradient overlay. Again, you can choose a color that matches your color palette. So you can basically modify anything you want within these layouts. And if you want to change the layout entirely, you could do that as well by clicking on the following icon over here, then going to the plus icon, going to the Add from Library tab, selecting another layout in your Divi library, and your page will instantly get changed. And of course, you can change it back by again going to the plus icon, Add from Library tab, and selecting your landing page again. All right, always make sure that you save your page after you're done editing it before you exit the visual builder. All right, so this is what the hero section of the landing page looks like now. And in the use case livestream, we're going to show you how to add a Bloom opt-in form with locked content that will show you a download button afterwards. And your visitors can click on it and download a free ebook, for example, right away after filling out the opt-in form. Well, that was all for this video. Thank you for watching. We hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.